Congrats! You've launched your first campaign, and Ava's already started sending outreach on your behalf. But there's a lot more you can do to get the most value out of Artisan. Here's what to set up next. First, invite your teammates. The more teammates you invite to Artisan, the higher outreach volume you can send, and the more pipeline you'll generate. Invite anyone on your team as a sender. It could be your boss, it could be your colleagues, it could be AEs and BDRs. The more people you invite, the higher volume, the more leads you're going to generate. Next, turn on autonomous replies. In your campaign settings, you can turn on autonomous replies so Ava can handle objections and book meetings using your sender's calendar links autonomously on their behalf. She draws from a knowledge base where you can upload any files and websites. You can add qualification criteria for Ava to check before sending a calendar link, and you can even add resources for Ava to share, like a sales tag. Sending with your main email address is limited. You can scale your outbound with Artisan to an unlimited volume with secondary mailboxes, which you can purchase on the team page. They take about 2 weeks to ramp up, so the earlier you set those up, the better. Don't wait until you need the volume. Next, we can set up your DNC list. Head to Manage Ava to manage your Do Not Contact list. You can add email addresses, company domains, or lists directly from your CRM. This makes sure Ava never reaches out to existing customers, late-stage prospects, or competitors. Set up website visitor identification. On the website visitors page, you can add your domain, and Ava will start identifying companies and individuals visiting your site without them filling in any form or giving you any contact information. Make sure to configure your website visitors campaign so that she can automatically enroll website visitors into one-to-one personalized sequences. This is one of the fastest ways to get high-intent leads into your pipeline. Now, launch more campaigns. Your first campaign is just the start. Use intent signals to reach leads when they have active buying intent. Use your CRM data for warm re-engagement campaigns like close loss or MQL outreach, or just create more cold outbound campaigns. You can run as many campaigns as you want at the same time across different audiences and data sources. Track your progress. Follow the onboarding quest to make sure you've got everything set up correctly. They'll guide you through each step and make sure you get the maximum value possible from your first AI employee hire, Ava. If you need help with anything, you can chat with Ava directly in the sidebar, or you can reach out to our human support team through the support button.